So in this section here, you're going to have shapes that are combinations of shapes. And we have to think about, what shapes make them up. So I kind of wrote down here, you want to kind of break the shape into parts, break it into different shapes that you can look at, identify what shapes are there. And then you have to think about, are you going to add those shapes together to form a shape? Or is something being removed? All right, you need to take something away from the shape. All right, so you really got to think about these, and you'll hear me saying all the problems that you look at. You form a plan. Make a plan. What are you going to do in this problem? Are you going to find a rectangle and subtract the triangle, and write that down? So then, as you get involved in the problem, and it takes you 3 minutes or 5 minutes or whatever, you don't suddenly forget what your plan was because it's written down. And then, obviously, just like everything else, make sure you check the units. All right, make sure you check the units. Okay, and whatever it says the area is supposed to be in, that's what you convert them to. Okay, if you have inches and feet in the problem, and it needs to be in feet, you have to convert everything to feet. Okay, it's going to tell you somewhere in the problem what it needs to be converted to, and it's super important that you look for those things. So try these problems, be careful with them. If you make a decent plan and you can find areas, that's all there is to this.